y'all doing?
Going on part two.
Part two. Okay, we're back at Tractor Supply. And what we doing, baby?
Shopping for the neighbors, just doing something to show our appreciation for them helping us get our boy back. Look at who.
Where is he? What's up?
What's up, buddy?
Say hey. Say hey, family. Hey, family.
That's him. He's a star,
Yeah.
We were actually just talking about him like 2 hours ago.
Really?
Yeah,
oh,
we're
wow.
getting some stuff for our neighbors now to show our appreciation. We want to pick some things up for him. I mean, he's going to be contained.
Your breed and your colors is going to get you in trouble.
I know it. That's what we were. Well, did a good gesture.
Yes, indeed. Got some goodies for the neighbors. We're going to surprise them.
Had a good time. Look at this boy. Sit down, boy. But yeah, had a good time. We even ran into somebody who knew Mayday from the post, man. Mean a lot to us, boy. I'm going to tell you something. To have my boy back, we got to promote him this week. It would have been a sour feeling to get that promotion video back and my boy missing. Right. I wouldn't even want to talk about breeding dogs anymore, I would have had a guilt trip for even, continuously breeding them, and I lost one.
Okay.
Not knowing if it's safe. I'm so glad he's safe and sound. We found him good. And the community is it's just a blessing. Man, even at the store, when the last time we had good customer service without somebody being weird or saying something smart out their mouth, just talking.
It has been a while.
Yeah, like it was a good vibe the whole time. Yeah, Tractor Supply is our spot now.
Yes.
It's like our Walmart or something. It costs though, boy. Good God. Oh man, boy. I need some rewards to get activated in there, man.
Oh yeah.
For real.
They got some good stuff though.
Man, even their candies and stuff, and look, neighbors, y'all got a treat.
Coming your way.
If y'all watching this, y'all got a little treat. We ain't want to really put it on the camera. We'll show some of the stuff, but yeah, definitely y'all got something to look forward to for sure. But we definitely got love for y'all once again, and we're gonna get right back at you.
Yep. Take care. What's up, OG? Triple OG. OG, trip. OG. What's up, dude? What it do? They say they like your video. Star of the show. You ain't got no words for the folks. Huh? They want to know if they can be in your next video. Talk to them.
Coming strong to make you perish with the stick. White rider taking over with the arrows in his lit. All this depth around you start to turn you pale cause it's snitch. All this drama really start to make you well for the end. Cause you'd rather go through trauma than through hell in the end. It's a fact, we in the times that you blind. When you driving on this narrow road, you can't ignore the signs. Don't hit the brakes, please hit the gas, you can't get left behind. Give or take, it's almost wedding day, I'm pulling up on time. It's getting late, gotta get that sin away. He ready for his bride, my oil burning in the slip. I'll be right here when he arrive. By his side, standing in the light, it's real light, it's real life. Don't matter what you feel like, for you he kept them sales ties. And these folks forget they ain't know. They claim they like the truth, but they ain't by loving it. I think they lost their love for this. There's false watching everywhere, so it might be hard to trust in it. Excuses, only truth inside excuses. Boy, he coming quick, y'all right this soon to come. We at the jump, he still ain't done with it. It's hard for you to stomach this. It hit you like 100 kicks. We nearly for the truth, they kicked us out like Colin Kaepernick. Time is running down, I know your who should coming quick. Don't believe me, watch he put down 4 chariots on this. Stop that rider calling you so you can perish with the sick. Red ball coming strong to make you perish with the stick. White rider taking over with the arrows in his fit. All this stuff around you start to turn you pale cause it's stitch. All this trauma really start to make you well for the end.